Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find and how to manage sound settings on OnePlus Pad Pro. First, let's go to settings, and in settings you can find sound, and in sound you can manage various settings. I'm gonna talk you through them. You can enable silent mode, so the ringtone and notifications will be silenced. You can enable do not disturb to silence notifications. You can adjust volume bars, change volume button function, you can also adjust up specific volume, change ringtones, ringtone sounds, notification tone, and more sounds. And you can also enable Dolby Atmos or manage more settings, which is the default device, and you can set it to either external device or this device. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.